My name is John Khayata, and I'm a pediatric neurologist at Prisma Health. So I'm from South Florida originally, and I did my undergraduate studies and my medical school training in Tallahassee, Florida at the Florida State University and the Florida State University College of Medicine. I then found myself in Durham, North Carolina, and I completed my child neurology residency training at Duke University Medical Center. It's a privilege to take care of children and adolescents during their times of development, and it's a specialty that focuses on the developing brain, how that matures, and some of the issues that can come along the way as that nervous system and that brain develops. And that's my job, to help those children if something were to happen. I've wanted to be a physician since I was about 10 years old, and even at that time I knew that I wanted to take care of kids. And before medical school, I went into medical school knowing I wanted to be a pediatrician. It was my first year of medical school where I fell in love with the neurosciences and neurology. And when I learned that I can combine pediatrics and neurology into one thing, I was sold on that and decided to become a pediatric neurologist. I educate patients by making them part of the team, as well as their families. My approach is simple. I find myself, or I see myself as a patient, or a patient person. I approach every situation with a lot of thoroughness and take things seriously. And I want patients to ask questions. A lot of the things that they're dealing with, they're very complicated and scary. And my job is to take the time and discuss those things with them, answer questions they may have. And if I don't know the answer, then it's my job to figure it out, and I'll do everything I can to get to the bottom of that for them. My interests outside of healthcare include the outdoors. I like getting out, exploring the area, doing a hike or things like that. I like a nice cup of coffee, and I enjoy finding little local coffee shops or good places to eat. I like to eat as well, so finding good food around the area is something that I take pleasure in. To make an appointment with me, please ask your primary care provider to make a referral.